In 1984, a design concept was developed for a 19-metre B-double with side entry manholes. It featured a retractable hose reel and pumping equipment mounted vertically behind the prime mover cabin. This design is still widely used throughout the industry. In 1988, the 25,000-litre bogie axle farm pickup milk tanker was built. In 1989, the 25,000-litre milk tanker was upgraded to feature BPW airbag suspension. Byford's innovations continued, and in 1992, the 27,000-litre triaxle farm pickup milk tanker hit the road. In 1995, the triaxle milk tanker was upgraded to a capacity of 28,500 litres. 6 years later, in 2001, the Fat Boy was introduced with an impressive 30,000-litre capacity and a sidewinder hose reel system. A computer-controlled metering system was also introduced on the Fat Boy. In 2004, after intensive research and development, Byford introduced fully welded, hydraulically dished baffles. These were a welcome replacement to the pin and cup mounted baffles, prone to cracking. 2010 was the year that Byford introduced the upgraded Fat Boy 30,000-litre triaxle milk tanker. The Fat Boy was fitted with Byford's demountable pump module. Featuring a retractable hose reel feeding either side and computer-controlled metering, the DPM has become a sought-after milk pickup pump, capable of delivering over 1,400 litres per minute into the milk tanker. To prevent cracking, Byford weld a compensator pad for extra strength. The advantage of this reinforcing prevents hoop stress and tearing of the barrel. This is a standard feature on all Byford tankers. Research, development and experience by Byford discovered a weakness in the design of pin baffles. It was found that a fully welded baffle has 46% more effective surface area for surge reduction. In the mid-80s, Byford developed and introduced a breather to milk tankers, which allowed the filling of a tanker without the operator needing to climb on top of the tank and open manway lids. CIP washing was now achievable with closed manways. The breather was further developed in 2001. Labelled the fail-safe breather, it prevented suck-in and pressurisation of the tanker during loading and unloading. Byford's repair facilities are well equipped to deal with major and minor repair work. Repairs can be facilitated 24/7 in our main facility at Moama, New South Wales, or in our strategically placed repair facility in the western suburbs of Melbourne, amidst the main transport industries. Byford was the first in the industry to introduce a hose reel metering system. In 1995, Byford introduced the first series demountable pump module. The following year, a low-profile tanker was developed, with an innovative recessed ladder in the boot area. In 2001, the Byford Sidewinder was introduced. Working alongside Fonterra, a mid-mount horizontal hose reel was developed in 2005. Always improving and innovating further, Byford introduced the Series 2 demountable pump module in 2010. Working united with customers, Byford have invested in a dedicated product development department, ensuring technology and products are beneficial and ultimately the customer's needs are understood and delivered. Byford's products include bitumen tankers, water transport, chemical transport, wine transport,